Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'll show you how to use your permanent Zoom link as the location for your meetings when you get booked. Now, your permanent Zoom link is something that you get from within Zoom itself. So just log into your Zoom account and look for your permanent link there. Just to keep in mind that if you want to use a permanent link, you're not using the Book Like a Boss integration with Zoom. So this is how you'll do it. Make sure you have your link ready. What you want to do is go into the settings area, then customization. Click email messages here, and we're going to set this up globally first. So that's your confirmation email message. You want to put a message like, we'll meet in my Zoom room, or our meeting will be at this Zoom link, and then put in your custom link here. This way, when your attendee gets the confirmation email, they'll have the link to your permanent Zoom meeting room. So that's one way to do it. But also, if there are some appointments where you don't want to use the global settings, but you want to offer it on a specific type of booking, just go into the booking pages, select appointments, for example, then click edit. Click customization up here and again on email messages. In the confirmation email, if you don't want to use global, then just uncheck it. You can write, for example, we'll meet in my Zoom room and then again add your Zoom link. The changes here are saved automatically. Now, when somebody books you for this specific appointment, they'll get that link in the confirmation email. And that's how you can use your permanent Zoom link with Book Like a Boss. I hope that's helpful.